welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoking Mirrors from the 10th to the 16th or 14th of March 2025 on Monday. While Jason tried to calm Tim's suspicions, Martha finds a baby Kano, leading to a tense confrontation between Magolide and Kamuhelo on Tuesday. Jason is paranoid that Caesar is gunning for him. Meanwhile, Thandiswa and Sobhuza, her rescuer, get closer, and then it's revealed that he works for Caesar on Wednesday. Caesar hears that Sobhuza has Thandiswa. He tells Nguka, who warns him that he would have to carry out the ritual, killing himself on her birthday on Thursday. Mpendulo questions Thandiswa's suicide and is angry with his mother for leaving him. Petunia notices Samgez appears preoccupied with Thandiswa's demise on Friday. Sakhile confides in Petunia the truth about Caesar. Sobhuza prevents Thandiswa from escaping. Sakhile produces evidence against Caesar. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.